Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Xero for importing insurance transactions. To get started, navigate to the Xero website. Log into your Xero account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the dashboard. Locate and click on the Accounting tab in the main menu. From the drop-down menu, select Bank Accounts. Next, find the Import section on the Bank Accounts page. Look for the option to add a new bank account if needed. If you already have a bank account set up, click on Manage Account. Now, select the Bank Feeds option. Click on Add a Bank Feed. A list of supported banks will appear on your screen. Find your bank in the list and select it. Follow the prompts to connect your bank account. You may need to enter your online banking credentials for authentication. Be sure to grant permission for Xero to access your bank data. Once authorization is complete, return to your Xero dashboard. Go to the Accounting tab again. Select Reconcile from the drop-down menu. Your transactions should now be available for import. You can review, categorize, and reconcile your insurance transactions accordingly. Make sure to save any changes before moving on. Now your bank account is set up for ongoing transaction imports. This process streamlines your reconciliation workflow. Keep your transactions organized for easy access. You're now ready to manage your insurance finances more efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.